Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO X300 Ultra, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, you need to make sure that you've got the internet connection to be able to actually check for the system updates. And basically, simply for checking, you can use mobile data. But if you'll decide that you want to download the update, I highly recommend switching to the Wi-Fi, or basically start with the Wi-Fi, so you can be sure that you will avoid some additional charges. The installation packages, the update packages, are quite large, and it may be quite expensive to actually download them via mobile data. All right, so we've got the internet connection. Now we can open the settings. Right here, let's scroll all the way down, and as you can see, the system update is right in the options, so just tap on it and your device will check for the updates. Basically, you can meet two different scenarios. So this is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download. Here you've got this information already, the latest system version. You can check the update log if you want to, so you can learn what was done during the last update, and basically you're good to go. You can just turn it off. And the second scenario is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.